All right. So a quick one. I want to show you step by step how you can design a cover, um, a book cover. You know, sometimes a lot of people wonder how those things have been made, how those design have been made. Do I have a class? I have students I'm actually lecturing on that's on my WhatsApp. If you're interested, you can just drop your number in the comment section. I will add you up, not even might. So a quick one. I want to show you step by step. I'm using that image over there to show you, to put you through how I'm going to design the book cover. You know, book cover, maybe novel or something, so on and so forth. Follow me through. Okay. You can just head over to your Pinterest. I think I was there before. Pinterest. When you come over to your Pinterest, you can search anything. So I searched for dark background to suit my whatever I want to design. Depends on you, depends on what you want. Dark background. So that's my search. That's what I'm searching for. So right. We have couples of background here that are dark. We have the aesthetic wallpaper, iPhone, whatever. We have the poetry wallpaper 4K and so many more. Okay, let me go for this. Just head over here and click the download button, download image. I'm done. So having that done already, don't forget I'm using this image, this particular one here, and the one I just finished downloading, which is this. So let's head over to our CorelDRAW straight up. Minimize. Let's over to our CorelDRAW. Okay. Some people wonder how I customize this to AbleDraw. If you want me to teach you how, or if you want to know how, just click. Let me know. If you want me to show you how this was able to be customized, I can show you how. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. And here we go. These are my previous designs. So we're just having new documents, and for the space, depend on the book cover you are designing, depend on the size of the book and relax. So let me just go for this. Should be in custom if you want to put in a size. We have already we have a stable sizes there. We have the A4, we have the A5, we have the A2, we have the A1, A0, and the likes. Or if you want to you can customize it. That's custom for you. Let's say I'm going by let's say 5 by 3. Okay, should I go 3.5? All right, so this is my workspace though. This is my workspace. Now let's get started. First and foremost, I need to create this to make sure that everything I'm doing is within this box I drew, to make sure that everything I'm doing is within, so that it won't exceed the workspace. That's the white space you are seeing there. That is just the purpose of this box. That's why most designers, when they are designing, 99% of time we use this box for workspace, so that the inside may be rough, the outside will be clean, so that anything we are designing will not be outside of this box. It will be outside of it. I don't know if you understand. It will be just outside. So that's it about that. So another thing we need to do is to make use of a ruler. A ruler can be found here. You have its two sides, here or here. Yeah. So we have to make use of a ruler to divide. Don't forget it's a cover book. You have to divide this. It's in the middle already, right? Once here. Down. Here we go. So it's already in the middle. So we have the right side, we have the left side. The right side is the front, while the left side is the back of the book. I don't know if you are following. The right side is the front, while the left is the back. Let's import the images. You can import here, but no, it's be difficult for me to find it. Let's import the images we are using. First, we are using this. Just drag it. We can copy it and come and paste. Yeah, we are using this. We are not using the whole of the image. We are going to crop it out. Secondly, we are using Charles. Secondly, we are using okay, it's loading. Secondly, we are using this. We are using this, yeah. So here we go. Reduce it. Reduce it and reduce it and reduce. You can actually use only the image for the font, but no, it won't look nice. It won't look nice. So here we go. Now having these two images that we are using for the font, right, from the front page, having these two images. Okay, another thing we need to do is don't forget that this particular shape that is here, which is meant to limit the way all these images are entering inside, to make sure that they are in alignment, in line, not to exceed the box. That is the reason for the shape. So what we are doing next is to draw another shape entirely, so that anything we are doing here in the right hand side will not actually get through the left hand side. I don't know if you are following. Okay, let me show what I mean. As I have drawn another box here, anything I'm doing inside of this box, let me change the color. Inside of this box will not exceed to the other one. That's the right to the left, then the left to the right. That's the reason and purpose for another box entirely. Now let's get started. First, I don't think I need this tree. I don't think I need that tree, so I need to just I can decide to crop it. That is this. That's the shape too. I can decide to just crop it over. I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this, yeah. Okay. Yeah, don't forget, just yeah, our box is still here. I can now right click and then power clip inside of the box. So as you can see that as it is power clip, it is not getting over to the left hand side, it's just at the right hand side, right? We're coming to edit so that we can put it in place. It's not actually in place. Alright, I think I'm okay here. So just as you can see, it is not exceeding both the right and the left. It's just in between the shape I drew there. Secondly, we are power clipping this as well inside, right? Okay. 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 All right. Let me finish. Now, looking at this is not really rhyming because we have it is not. I haven't blended it yet. You have this shade, this line is still showing, and also this line. So let me remove this color. Since let me turn back to white. So it's not really giving what it's supposed to. That's not a problem. We're going to work on that. That is where the transparent tool will come in. Okay. All right. You can just see we should make this like this, and probably this in the middle. This is just a teaching, it's not actually a design for any client or anybody. Now this, as it is, we will blend it so that it will look okay. So everything we blend together, all together. Alright, let's get started then. The transparent tool, let's start from here. Make sure we transparent it very much well. This can be a little bit difficult at times, but if you are patient enough, and if you know what you are doing, you should get over it and get used to it with time. Okay. Okay, finish. Now moving over to the other side. If I use transparent tool again, it will still bring me back to the first side. So what I need to do after transparency one side and I want to transparent the other side is to bitmap it. Bitmap here, then we'll convert to bitmap. Then okay. After converting to bitmap, I can come back here and transparent again. That's this axis, the upper layer side. Okay, yes, we are done here. Then don't forget we are coming back to bitmap as well. Yeah, we're coming back to bitmap again so that we can be able to transparent the other side too. Okay, all right, perfect. So we'll finish our power clip. Now we are done here, but let me reposition it well to the middle. Okay, so perfect. So initially it was not looking like this, we're looking so rough, but here it is. I can decide to put my title, let's give it a title. Let's give it the hidden face. Okay, I decide to bring it bold here and decide to just maybe change the color and the likes. Okay, Control K to break the text apart, in case you don't know that before. The hidden face. Okay, let's just do something nice. Right, can start to give this a yellow font. So can start to give this a this is okay as well. Can use a ruler anytime to straighten your text and the likes anytime, but this is not needed here. The hidden face, that's okay. Let me just use my name, gfx.design, right? Sheets and okay. Okay, not done yet. So let's give this author email. Don't forget we are changing the color so that it will be visible. Like this, it won't be visible. Somebody with eye problem may not be able to see this, so we are changing the color, of course. Probably white, or no. Let's give you something this. So this is actually the front space of a book cover. This is just a font. Very simple, very simple. There's nothing difficult there. There's nothing at all. So the back space as well. Don't forget we drew a box here. I know we have forgotten. So that is the box here. So anything we did inside this box might be rough. Let me edit it. You can see that. You can see the blue line indicating that outside, after power clipping, there's nothing that will be visible outside. You see that this black image here, this dark image here, is it exceeds the blue line. But when you finish power clipping, it won't be visible. It won't cross the line. All right. So that's that about that. Okay. So this is the front. Now let's go back to the back. You are coming over again to draw another box. That's about 3 boxes. This is the first 1, 2, and 3, which is the biggest, right? And don't forget, I can decide to power clip this one inside this other bigger one, which is the first one I did. Yeah, I can decide to power clip inside. So we have power clip inside power clip. This is already a power clip. I can decide to power clip it else inside the other one. Okay, let me power clip the text as well. Okay, let me group Ctrl G to group. Sorry. Power clip. Done. Also this one. Power clip. So as I power clip everything that is in the font space is actually inside a box, which is this. Alright. So I can decide to power clip this as well inside this. As the main door, I have to edit it and shift it to this other page. Okay, 2 bits, and I'm done. So we have this left, which is the back, right? So I'm coming over here, copying the title. Sorry, Ctrl C to copy. Finish. Then we have Ctrl V to paste. Come here. Don't forget, I've not even given this one color. Let's give it the matching color. You can use your color eyedropper too. That's to detect color of your choice. Anyways, all right. I'm going to give this color. It's just a color though, or you can give it black. Your choice. Then I can start. Okay, let's give it black and let's say yellow. Okay, to do that you have several ways you can actually do that, but let me choose this way, right? Don't forget that's a box, right? Okay, don't forget this is a box. There's a box here, so you can come here. There's this shape that is smart fill. This smart fill, if I click here, this line I drew, it indicates division. So anything I click, the color will change and it will exceed the line that is being drawn there. It will exceed it. Example, as you can see, because the line has actually caused a demarcation. So that is why if it is this particular one, if I click here, it will change automatically because there's no demarcation, everything, right? Even regardless of that, there's still demarcation. When you check, there's still something obstructing. When you check this thing, as you can see, I've removed it, but that black background is still showing there because there's an obstruction there. Okay, let's get at it again. Smart fill, coming here, Okay, automatically this is a box entirely on its own. Let's just change this. All right, so let's delete this. So let's say the hidden face, and let's say we have the picture of the author. Let's say then about will be here. Yeah, about, that's about the book, right? As it used to be seen on books. Text, I'm changing the case to a title case. Okay, about, right? You can place it anywhere, depending on you. Even the picture of the author can decide, can be here. It's your choice anyways. It's your choice. Can put it here and put the about somewhere around here, and you just write whatever you want to write. You write up. You can just write. Okay, let me check something. Let me check what's right up. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me check what's right up. Book cover. Okay, I think this is the one I did some time ago. Okay, this one I did some time ago. Let me copy this right up. Control C, copy. Coming back here, it's spiritually freed. Yeah, Control V, which is to paste. So I can just decide to come here. Since that's the yellow background and this is the white, is not visible, I can decide to change to black, make it more visible. Yeah, then reduce it. Don't mind, it looks as if it's small here. It's not actually when it is being printed out. This is just CorelDRAW. It's not really small, and regardless if you can see it here. So you can decide to import an image about the author and block. Okay, I'm using this image. Just this is not actually an actual book cover, just for educational purpose anyways. Okay, I'm using this image. So, and this is a box, don't forget. And the work of the power clip is to ensure that everything is in range, right? So I'm power clipping this image inside this box, right? There's a box here, right? Then power clip, we edit. Okay, to be more, then boom, you are done. So that's it, that about that. If the other information, sorry, about I'm just saying that. Okay, if there are other information that is needed to be added, you can add them as much as you can, as many as you want to, you know, depends on what you want for yourself. Like, yeah, depending on what you want. About the book can be here, about the author can be here, anything. What matters most is the font, and this really looks nice, to be honest. It really looks nice. So let me know what you think. Any question, anything at all, anything, let me show what you in the comment section, what you feel, and I will reply you for sure. I take a little bit time because I'm quite busy, but I will try as much as I can to reply. All right, see you some other time. Thank you.